Hi guys, it's IreneCrochets, and today I will be teaching you guys how I make my scrunchies. All you're going to need is a 6mm crochet hook. I have a elastic band here and my yarn. We're going to be making this cloud scrunchie. So my yarn is made from 80% acrylic and 20% cotton. I just get my yarn from a local store. And I found this pattern for free on YouTube, just watching some free YouTube tutorials. So it's really easy to kind of get started building your own business if you are interested or looking into doing that. So first thing I do is I make a slip knot onto my hook. Let me zoom in here on how to make a slip knot. You're just going to take the shorter end, cross it over, and pull the shorter end just like that. So I'll do that one more time. Cross the yarn over, pull the shorter end, and make a slip knot like that. Okay, so you have a nice long tail here. I'm going to take my scrunchie or my elastic band, and we're going to do one single crochet. So we're just going to yarn over and pull through that loop for a single crochet. And we're going to do that 30 times all the way around our band. So it's going to be through the loop, yarn over, and pull through. That's 3. That's 4. Let's get some more yarn here. And the way I'm holding is the elastic band, and I'm holding the tail together. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's all around your elastic band. And then we're just going to slip stitch into our first stitch right here. Slip stitch, and we're going to chain 1. We're going to do 3 trebles in each stitch across the round. So to do a treble, you're going to yarn over twice, insert through the hole, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So that's 2 yarn overs, insert, pull up a loop, pull through 2, 2, and 2. Let's do one more. Yarn over, pull through, pull up a loop, yarn over 2 times, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So that gives us 3 treble crochets, and we're going to do that 30 times all the way around. I guess while we're doing this, I can talk a little bit about me. I started crocheting, I think when I was probably 6 or 7 years old. I was taught by one of my aunties, and this was my very first hook ever, actually. This one right here. It was a 3.75 and Boy USA. That was my very first crochet hook, and I stopped crocheting very shortly after that. I didn't continue, but I was always into arts and crafts, and I loved doing that kind of stuff. And then only until recently, my mom had like a ball of yarn and I was like, wait, I have a crochet hook. And I dug through my stash of craft supplies, and I found my very first crochet hook. And I picked it up, and I started crocheting. And little did I know that I was Tunisian crocheting. It was in a Tunisian crochet style, and it was not good at all. So I had to look up YouTube tutorials on how to crochet again. And I stumbled upon a couple of artists in the community, YouTube community, and I made a couple hexagon cardigans, which I loved. And I just loved making them because it was an easy pattern, and the repetitiveness was very soothing and relaxing. So I was trying to find more things with that kind of repetitive patterns, not too complicated, and I fell upon scrunchies and bracelet making. There's a couple of ways to make different scrunchies, but I find this one to be the easiest. Way to make them. Some of my other favorite hobbies right now are gaming. I'm a gamer. I have a gaming YouTube channel. I go under a different name, but I haven't been gaming that often. Almost done here. Okay, and then when you're done the round, we're just going to insert into the top of our first treble chain and slip stitch. And then to fasten off, we're going to do one single crochet. Get a pair of scissors. And we're going to weave in our ends. To stretch it out here a little bit. Don't forget to weave in your ends. I have this cute little needle holder. I got a bunch of these needles on Amazon. Take this little tool right here. Insert. I don't know what that is. Insert our yarn. I'll leave a message. And I'm just gonna go down here through that first treble crochet, and then I'm just gonna kind of loop through this bottom side right here. A little bit. Okay. Okay, kind of a long enough weave in there, and then I'm just going to cut that off. And And there you have it, your cozy cloud scrunchie. It'll be up on my shop. Yeah, so you make it. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.